Why, hello there. I hope you're having a fine, fine day. Today, which is the next day, don't mind me. It's bright and early in the morning, and I have a list. Yeah. So, oh God, I have to clean my chairs. So I'm using the Hoover Dual Power Pro to clean my chairs. Yes, yes, she is. Is it filled? Yes, hunty. She definitely is. Oh, I gotta drink more water. Look, I look all rankly. It shouldn't be rankly. So I just use clothes soap for it. Oh, uh-oh. See that little drain? It's filled with soap. Get down, Biggie. You know what? You're not gonna do this in my new house. Where'd the top go? I lost it. I lost the top. Here it goes. I'm about to put you on the tripod in a second once I do everything. Okay, so now I put the, if I had baking soda, I would totally put that inside here too, because you can make your own solution. I do have solution, I just don't know where it is. So I'm filling this up with hot water. And we're about to clean the upholstery. Not a poultry, not poultry, upholstery. I don't know why my water does that, but I need really hot water. I'm gonna do the chairs. And they were dirty at the old house because kids like to come over and sit on them, and their feet are dirty and all that other good stuff, and spilled juice on them and all that. But now we're here and I'm about to clean them, so hopefully they don't get dirty again. Wishful thinking. But I kind of knew this, getting this set. Look at my hair. It's morning. Who really cares, right? That it was going to be very hard to keep it clean. Because, you know, I got kids, I got boys, I got a tomboy girl. And she plays. She definitely plays. And, yeah. So, this is the vacuum cleaner, the one that I was using in the other house to clean the rugs. So it has attachment pieces, which I should probably go find. I'll be right back. Say hey, Laylo. What's up, Laylo? Nope. You gotta find a way down to mobile so that I could send you down there whenever we need something. Little sneak peek of the kitchen, y'all. It's still not done. But we're getting there. Right, Layla? What's wrong with this cereal? You don't like those?
I'm gonna eat them, but...
Do we have syrup?
If someone say you need cereal, you say yes.
Yeah, eat it. Guys, I miss my nails.
No, she doesn't.
I miss my nails.
She doesn't. No,
yes,
no,
I
no,
do.
no. She can do way
I
more.
really do.
She could do way
Layla,
more
go eat in the
without
living room.
nails.
Go eat in the living room so I could
Way more
I
without
have to make my
nails.
cereal first and I'll leave.
Yeah, leave, Laylo, leave. With all your complaining. Laylo's mad because we don't have good cereal. We got cereal,
Layla?
but for some reason he doesn't like these.
Yeah,
But it's an all unopened box. Whatever. What you gonna do? Next time we go to the store and I say, pick out your cereal. Or...
I'm waiting for you to say that.
This is dirty. Look at that one.
Top.
It's dirty. This one's not dirty.
I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. It just so happened that everybody wanted to come in the kitchen at the same time. I've been telling Angie to eat her breakfast for I don't know how long.
Excuse me.
Stop, I'm pushing.
Woo! That didn't hurt that bad.
Yep.
I gotta go downstairs and find the attachment pieces. I'll be right back. We had lots of fun. Oh God. So put that in there, lock it in. Then comes with all these attachments. You know, I did a review on this when I first got it, and that footage got deleted, but whatever. I think this was from Walmart, and I got it for about $189 when taxes came, because I'm constantly cleaning my rugs and stuff, you know, because Angie wear her slime, and then the animals and all that other stuff. So I'm constantly, this was a great buy, okay? So I'm gonna take this attachment piece because it's gonna scrub. This is gonna go around, this is gonna suck it up. So you take it and you stick it right here. First of all, you have to clean this out if it's disgusting. As you know, I just cleaned the carpets at the old place, and they were filthy because, you know, in and out of the house, the feet are dirty. So you stick this in here. Push it real good. Okay. Turn to wash mode on top of tank to begin cleaning. So you turn this on the wash mode. And we're gonna plug it in. I don't know why, but every house that I live in doesn't have the 3-prong, so we have to buy a bunch of these. I hate it. I guess it's because they're older houses, but I think this one has it. I also have to clean the couch because Angie just spilled.
I'm just what? What? Look at guys. There is a key in here that I don't know what this key
That's my
does.
key. Oh, let me see. That's my key. It's my.
What's it for? Here is a key. Boom.
I think it was to my safe.
Oh.
Big Daddy's calling.
Daddy-o.
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe. Hi, Lou. Can you hear me?
Say hi to the vlog.
Can you hear me? What up, y'all? What's going up? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What was it, sure?
I'll be right back, guys. Yeah. I can't, Angie. I can't. Yep. I see you. Okay, so you turn it on. There's little buttons at the bottom, on and off, and then a handle release.
Somebody's crying, go low. Somebody's crying, go low. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's crying, go low. Somebody's crying, go low. I need you love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's crying, go low. I need your love today. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Get up and throw your cereal away. All right, guys, so now I gotta do the couch.
I saw you and I don't get it. You need to do all this. There's a long line of boys who like you. Yet you go and make
Same way, same routine.
the boy you like.
Somebody's crying, go low. Somebody's crying, go low. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's crying, go low. I need your love today. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Okay. So that is how that machine works, and that is what I did with it. It also comes with this. It also comes with this spot cleaner. And it comes with this little bag that you can put everything back in to keep everything nice and neat. Okay, so yeah, now that I'm like really aggravated, I'm hot. Do you see my sweat mustache? But it's done. So I can check that off my list. It's all done. Now I have to go pee. So until the next video. Actually, I'll be back when they're all dry so that you can see what they look like now. So maybe I could do like a before and after in the thumbnail. Yeah, so I'll be back in a little while. Okay guys, the chairs are dry. And this
That's how hot it is outside.
is what it looks like. I'm hoping
It must be hot.
that I have a before and after, the dirty chair versus the clean chair, but this is what the Bissell does. It is Bissell, right? I'm lying, it's not Bissell, it's Hoover. This is what the Hoover does. This is what the Hoover does.
Can I come out and do it on my lunch?
Yeah. Until the next video, thanks for watching and subscribing. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my OGs. And we'll catch you on the flip side. Right, guys? Right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the other one? Oh.